Unit 6 Mixed Review, Number 8. Amanda used fraction strips to determine the difference between 7/8 and 2/3. What is 7/8 minus 2/3? So they give you the fraction strips on this one, but in my opinion, it's way easier to just do the math on this in the normal, regular way. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I've got 7/8 and 2/3, and we're going to subtract them. We know that because, first of all, it says difference, and it has the subtraction sign down here. So first thing, eighths and thirds, I cannot subtract, and so I have to make them the same. And so we've got to think, okay, what can 8 and 3 both become? Well, they're both going to be able to become a 24 because 8 times 3 is 24. So we got 24 and 24. Now take each one at a time. How does an 8 become a 24? You do times 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. Then on this other fraction, how does a 3 become a 24? That's going to be times 8. And then 2 times 8 is 16. So now we've got 21 24ths minus 16 24ths. If you need to, you go over to the side to do that subtraction. A little regrouping needed on this one. And we get 5 left over, so 5 24ths. Will that simplify? Let's see. The only thing 5 will divide by is 5, so nope, that's it. 5 24ths is the correct answer.